Wait. Don't buy hosting from Hostika before watching this video because you might be end up paying more than you should. Most people think link buy now, enter this card details and boom, there is miss, easy and discount. But in this video I will show you working coupon code that will instantly reduce your price. But wait, just knowing the code is enough. You need to apply the right way to get maximum discount. And the code is HA10. I will show you how. Step 1. Go to Hostinger website through my description link. I will provide the link in this video's description or comment section. Go to Hostinger website and choose any other of these plans. Just like Hostinger provide free plans for basic hosting. Just like it is what type? See, premium plan, business plan, unlimited plan, and cloud starter plan. So, for showing you, I select the business plan. After selecting the business plan, you need to select 48 months time period. Why hosting 48 month time period? Because this will getting you more. So what you have to do is whenever you click the plan, select the plan, choose the time period whatever you want. I will recommend 48 month plan because you get free domain and 2 months extra hosting for this. As you can see the business plan I have selected and the total price was told me around 169. So I just have to select I have a coupon code and enter this coupon code HA10. As you can see whenever I apply this coupon code the price will reduce 169 to 152. That means HA10 gives me a 10% discount. That is, I will save $15 in just within this using this code. So what you have to do is you just have to simply click the link in the description or in comment section. So whenever you select, then select the plan, and after that select the time period and use this coupon code HA10 for clicking this section, this button. Sorry, clicking have a coupon code button. So that's simple. So this video is, if this video is helpful, so make sure you like the video, share with your friends to get benefit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.